If you have been notified by your college or university that you are now the subject of an investigation and you have to attend a disciplinary hearing or student conduct hearing, please know that that hearing is going to be heavily biased against you. My name is Adrienne Hahn of the Hahn Legal Group, and we are education law lawyers. Today, I would like to point out 3 concerns you should have in mind before attending such a hearing. First, you should know that you can have an advocate present with you during this hearing, but that does not mean that this advocate can actually speak for you. The advocate is prevented from doing any statements, cross-examination, or arguments in your favor. Now, you could be facing criminal claims against you. What you say in this hearing could be used against you later, yet you are the one that is going to have to present your best defense. Because of this, it's very important that you be well prepared. You will need to reach out to somebody to help you with this. Second, you should be very careful about what you say to the school when they ask you to give a statement, either during the investigation process or at the hearing itself. Most likely, when you speak at those proceedings, you will be taped. And in those recordings, you may be asked to say things that could be used against you and could be considered self-incrimination. Let's say you're being accused of sexual misconduct, and the school says, hey, give us your side of the story. This may sound like a great idea to you to defend yourself, but be very careful. What you say could be interpreted to be admitting to violating certain laws of which you are unaware. Without having consulted someone first, you are in danger of self-incrimination. Now, the police can subpoena those records, and while the school records are normally held private by law, the school will have to answer a subpoena, and the police can use this against you in a criminal proceeding. Third, understand that the people who are going to be making the decisions about whether you did or did not violate the student conduct code or other policies are actually employees of the very same college and university you are attending. They're also reviewing decisions made by other administrators or teachers employed by the same college or university. So what does that mean? Do you think they're going to jeopardize their paycheck to help you? Understand that there is a bias going into that hearing, that the panel or whoever is making the final decision here most likely just wants to put a rubber stamp of approval on what others have already said. That keeps them away from being in hot water. Please understand that this is a very serious hearing that can result in you losing your ability to ever attend the school again. Be very careful when you go into this hearing to make sure you are prepared. For all these reasons and many more, when you get notification that you are under investigation for some type of student conduct violation, please do not ignore it. Do not pretend it's going to be okay if you do nothing. You must reach out to your parents, to other advocates, to anyone that you think can help you, even if you're thoroughly embarrassed. Please research the policies and procedures in your school manuals, in the handbooks, and please do everything you can to be prepared for this hearing, which is inherently biased against you. Again, my name is Adrienne Hahn of the Hahn Legal Group. We have the knowledge and expertise to represent you and help you face these unfair proceedings.